What's up everyone and welcome to you on the MOONCHARTS YouTube channel. Hope that you're all doing very well. As always, we're going to update Bitcoin's new technical analysis, and yeah, we're going to use Elliott Waves as always, as we are used to do. Clearly, this is Elliott Wave crypto YouTube channel. Clearly, if we can say that. This is what we are planning in the last update. It just played perfectly, not looking at all. Look at this. This is what we are planning in the last update. This was the last public update. I just drew this clearly with some different other possible wave and everything. This was one of the main idea clearly, and this just played perfectly. Just look at this. It's the exact same draw. I did not teach it that draw. I just keep them in the tree, you know, the object tree here. And so yeah, this is just perfectly. What can I say? So that's pretty cool. By the way, if you want to go and follow us on Twitter, you can absolutely just go and check this out. You get some more information about us. How we are trading the range and everything here. Really cool information, if we can say that. And yes, so let's update this. By the way, I did not really record some updates since, let me check that when it was the last time I did an update. 8 days ago. Okay, so it was 8 days ago here, as you can see. I did not record any updates because this was not needed. Actually, we got this plan, and that was we didn't need it much. More than this clearly. So any more of this weekend I was moving into a new flat, so that's why I was not able to record any update. I didn't go any fiber since for 2-3 days, so I was not able to record anything and to trade just on my phone. And personally, if you have a small long here to ride the move to the upside here to trade for 50% stop loss and trade everything, still we're being short of course from the top, and so now we just have to enjoy everything clear to the downside. So it's pretty cool. But anyway, yeah, that's why I didn't record any updates really, and because it was just, you know, a bit range bound while moving to the downside, so nothing really crazy at all. It was just following what we planned clearly, so no real update needed clearly. But anyway, so here, let's see what we can do. So first of all, we have to check the bigger time frame. So the bigger time frame, so we can really understand what we are. Two main ideas, of course. Keep in mind that we have still a lot of different possibilities depending if we hold the bottom here, if we could just drop directly. If we drop directly, I'm just going to take this wave. Just going to hide this. I'm going to take this wave right here. So let me just add all of this in a folder. If I can take both. No. Okay, I'm going to do it this way. Perfect. So I'm going to name this flat. Flat. Perfect. Right there. Perfect. So I'm going to hide this. Good. So here, the first possible scenario is, as always, keep in mind that we are in a wave. What the fuck it is? Whoa. That training view is fire today. What the hell it is? Look at this. Absolutely love TradingView. Let me just refresh that really quickly because a bit annoying. Alright, it's working now. Perfect. So yeah, the context is, of course, there are some different contexts and everything. This is a more likely for me. This is a wave that we have been trading for months, and this is how we have been able to break the top here. We was the only persons predicting. I was the only person clearly that predicted the top right there. We got no other ones because all the people was clearly bullish and looking for a bullish breakout. So that was pretty crazy. That's why I'm just going to stick to the plan here. I'm just going to stay with these waves, and if we have to get an invitation or something, we will get an invitation and we're going to switch to another one. Okay, I'm not going to cover everything because otherwise it's going to be too long. You're going to be confused, and it's not the goal. This is absolutely not the goal here. Okay, so yeah, here 5 ways down as always. 5 ways downs, the wave 5 right here. Can we do a wave 5 truncated, so the wave 5 start before the wave 3 one here? Yes, 100%. It's just a lot less probable. We talk about probabilities here. So if we have to think about a bigger impulse, a bigger wave 5 here, to speak, that break the wave 3 top, we have to look not for only this 1, 2, 3, or 5, but for a bigger 5 ways down. Okay, so if I have 5 ways down here, in that case, that brings us with a bigger wave 1, bigger wave 2, bigger wave 3, or 5 to the downside. Okay. Of course, we can be in an ending that has a small way of a leading, for example, for more advanced people. But do we think about this directly? No, we think about it impulsive. So here, the context is we have done in that case a wave 2. Now we are looking for the wave 3 or 5 to the downside. So the wave 3 brings us, as you can see here, around 12,000 on Bitcoin. Then we have a 30-month retracement because we have done a 6.866%. After a regular retracement on the wave 2, we expect the wave 4 to be 30.2, more likely. Also possible 24.6. It depends on the big trade. It all depends on the trend to the downside and everything. Now the thing is, yes, that's cool. This is a possible wave to the downside. And normally, by the way, the wave 5 will bring us around 10,000 around there. 9,000 as you can see here. But the thing is, yes, okay, that's cool, but are we in the wave 3 directly, or are we still in the wave 2? We can be still in the wave 2. Why? Because as always, a wave 1, okay, with the wave 2 next 305, the smaller wave inside the wave 1 have to be an impulsive, so 1 to 305, or a leading, so a wedge to the downside. What do we have here if we go on the oneer? Okay, if for example we have done this right there already, and if next we're in another wave 1, if I can add this with this, no, this one, 1, 2 for example, and we're in a 305. What do we have here in the wave 1? We can be in 5 waves, absolutely. I'm going to take this wave personally. If we drop from here, I'm just going to take this wave, really. But like if we really drop from here, I'm just going to accept this was a wave, and that's all. We don't have to accept it clearly. But here it looks a bit more like a triple wave inside. Okay, so if we have a triple wave here and a triple wave before, in that case it's maybe not directly the wave 1, 2 and drop directly. It's maybe more we're still in the wave 2 and we're going to look for a bigger pattern in the wave 2. Okay, this is the more likely, it all depends if we hold the target of the correction in the wave 2 or not. So here, if we are still in the wave 2, okay, and we're going to look next for a bigger wave 2 here. I mean, it can stop before, it can stop after the brief top. It's absolutely fine. It can just not break the wave 1 route, and the RSI, of course, with the wave 2 cannot break the wave 1 route 2. This is important. But here, so just to replace everything here so we can see a bit better what I'm talking about. I mean, this is what we have planned in the last update. Clearly, you know, it's nothing changed a lot, but just want to update that with you. So yeah, of course, if you want to get a small wave kind of everything, if you want to get more of us, you can just go and check the mooncharts.fr website. By the way, I updated the Elliott Wave cards. So for example, you have, I'm just gonna go on the Discord server. Yeah, this is the website you can get if you want to get more of us. Do not hesitate to go and check this out. You have all the information you need. Clearly, we're teaching you Elliott Waves and Exo charts for you to. I mean, there's a thing you need clearly to run the market. This is simple as that. So here, if you go on the Discord server right there, you go in the website update here. As you can see, I updated all the Elliott Wave cards. So in addition to all the course you have, okay, so all the good, I'm not saying you have a huge amount of videos and everything. You have just what you need to know to learn good technical analysis, Elliott Waves and Exo charts. That's all. So here, in addition to the course, you have also, this is also another section of the course, you have also some cards, okay, where you have clear summary of every single Elliott Wave patterns. For example, here is the impulsive, you have also the ABC zigzag, you have what is a wave 1, what can be the wave 1, what can be the wave 2, 3, or 5, the retracement, the wave 2 and the wave 4, some informations, a picture clear of the wave, what it looks like, the more likely one, the extension of the wave 3, if the wave, for the wave 5, either wave 3, there are 2 configuration, everything clear. Also this for every single patterns, Elliott Wave patterns. So this is available for VIPs and apprentices. So if you want to get this, just check out the website. You will get everything clear, all the information you need. But anyway, so yeah, here let's just continue with this. So I'm just going to, in that case, the thing is, if we're in a bigger wave to here, what can be the pattern? If we took the wave, the bottom here clear, the only possible pattern here is an ABC flat. As always, an ABC flat here, okay, an ABC flat, so speak the waves right there. Maybe I'm going to change the color of this because it's also yellow and it's maybe not the best to see. Let's add this in blue, maybe it will be good. Let's go with this, should be, yeah, okay, it's fine. So ABC flat. As always, the B wave can retrace 105, the really low opacity white gray level here you can see. Okay, if we go below here, we'll have the 113. This is also a possible retracement. That's why we have to be aware of a possible swing for pounds low. Just touch the level and get a bounce. Okay. Again, I'm giving you the targets. You just have to trade directions of the targets on the order flow. For example, here this is an order flow. If I go there, for example, this is an order flow. This is on Exo charts. I'm teaching you this every single day. There are some trades today. I'm also here to let you know the data you need, everything clearly. For example, on the Discord server. Yeah, just let you know clearly what you need to get. These are some today's examples. It's a bit fresh. I even make some videos by the way to explain you some few stuff and everything, but yeah, I mean, yeah, we have a trade money print channel here where I just let you know everything clearly in just live. I'm not telling you I'm in, I'm out, everything. I mean, yeah, I'm taking profit and everything, but I'm not going to say, hey, I'm in, I'm out because for a legal reason and because there are no any financial advice here. This is just for educational purpose, of course. So that's why I'm not doing this. but you have all the informations live you need clearly. What I'm going to check, how I'm going to approach the market, what I'm doing clearly. Not just I'm just, for example, when you're on a target, I'm just saying, you know, yeah, we need this. If you have this, you take the trade. If you don't have this, just leave it and let it go more down or high depending if you're looking for a short, for a long, for example. So yeah, this is really nice, and of course, yeah, this is in addition to the daily updates. Every day I'm live and I'm doing a short version of the lives plus a daily plan summary. For example, I don't know if I can show that because this is a bit, I don't know if I can show you that. Yeah, I mean, I think you already saw some screenshot of this. This was not here yet. I don't know if I can show you that. Let me check that along. No, I cannot show you that because there are some targets on this low at the moment. These are for VIPs. But yeah, you do have some daily plan summary. So you have a daily plan summary, so a summary of the live stream, clear of what I'm thinking of today, 3 and ever later. In addition, you have a short version of the live stream. In addition to this, you have the live stream. So that's pretty cool. In the live stream, I'm teaching you every single day, except the weekend, exalt charts, so you can really master the chart. You can master this, you can master these sessions, you can master your daily bar control, you can master the TPOs, you can master everything clearly, so you can, yeah, become really good in trading. You know, I can become really good in trading next. But anyway, so here, let's just come back on this. So yeah, 113 here, as you can see here, is the stock market retracement. Sometimes we do it on the crypto market, that's why we have to be aware of that. Now, of course, the more likely target is 123 or 127. So that's why here, I mean, we should go there. Now the thing is, what I'm going to do here, now I'm going to say, hey, we have to take a long here. We have to take a long here. I'm going to place a long. Oh, wow, we have to take a long here. No, it's not we have to take a long. It's just we have to read the reactions there, because we do have also a scenario where we are going to drop directly. That's why here is a bit of 50-50. Or maybe do something else, for example, here. Okay, this is possible to, for example, to be still in the X and to be in an A, B, C flat, for example. It's still possible, for example, to be in an A, okay, B, C flat, and then we finally, do the B wave. This will going to finish, I'm just going to remove that. This is going to finish the X wave, and then we look for the Y leg, and finally then it's going to finish a bigger A, B wave, and then we're looking for a C. We can do some crazy amount of stuff like this. That's why, hey, no, I'm not going to say you have to long here. No, you have to look for a long here and just trade directions with the order flow right there. This is the only thing I have to search as a bump here, for example, to have to trade direction. Okay, so yeah, that's a possible idea here where you can look for a long. Okay, this is something possible to be aware of. Now the thing is, yeah, if we start to get acceptance below here, okay, if we start to get acceptance below, we spend some time below, we do some wick and some candles below, really be careful with this ABC flat. In that case, we take just the big impulsive to the downside. These are the two main ideas I'm going to be looking for clearly. Of course, with VIPs, we plan some other ones they are aware of, because we have to be aware of some scenarios like this, because it can absolutely plays out. So yeah, I mean, that's all really for today, not gonna lie, that's all for today. I maybe, you guys, by the way, yeah, maybe need to do a giveaway today. I don't know, I want to do a giveaway for you all. So if you want to join the giveaway, I'm going to do this on the Discord server. So yeah, I'm going to do a 3 exalt charts a month for free giveaway, so to speak. This where you can get an order flow, where you can get the daily naked bar controls, weekly, monthly naked bar controls, where you can get the TPO, where you can get the naked session bar control, everything 3 months for free for you. So just do not hesitate to come and join the Discord server. So yeah, you can try to win this. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to make this after I recorded and uploaded this, and so yeah, do not hesitate. You have the link right below in the description, so really do not hesitate to join. Feel free also to ask me some questions on the Discord server, in the chats right there, to ask me some questions, to just post maybe some screenshots, everything. I absolutely love to read you all and to check out all the screenshots and everything. So yeah, do not hesitate to just chat with everyone and everything clearly. Okay, so yeah, as always, so just let me just think very quickly if I said everything or not. Normally yes. Yeah, I mean, we're good clearly. So yeah, hope you enjoyed. As always, if you enjoyed, don't forget to smash that like, to subscribe to the channel, to turn on notifications. Really important. It's a big reward of all the work and the hours and hours and hours I'm spending every single days to give you the best of the best. So if you enjoy, yeah, feel free to smash that like, to write some comments down below. So this helps so much with the YouTube algorithm to grow the community clearly. And yeah, smash that like and everything, you know. Yeah, take care of you, have a brilliant day, and yeah, see you in the next one. Have a nice day. Cheers.